Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best zip lines is probably one of the most exhilarating and fun outdoor activities for people of all ages, offering a unique blend of adventure, speed, and breathtaking views as you soar through the air. And in this video, we will explore the best zip lines available for kids and adults, helping you choose the perfect one for your next outdoor adventure, considering factors like safety, durability, and overall excitement. Number 5. Fofana Ninja Slider Zipline. This zipline kit lets you experience the thrill of being a ninja warrior. It's a fun way to build confidence, coordination, and strength. It's more than just a zipline, it's a complete outdoor adventure kit. The included slackline, pulley, and swing provide hours of entertainment. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply find 2 trees and attach the slackline, then add the pulley and swing, you'll be zipping in minutes. Create your own Ninja Warrior obstacle course. It's perfect for backyards, parks, or campgrounds. Additional obstacles are available to expand the fun. It's built to hold up to 250 pounds. We're a proud American company, and we stand behind the quality of our products. What we like? This zipline is incredibly easy to set up, perfect for quick backyard fun. It's also built to last, supporting up to 250 pounds. If you're looking for a fun, active experience that channels your inner ninja warrior, this is the perfect choice for you and your family. What people say. Fun for all ages, the zip lines are designed to be enjoyed by both kids and adults, making them a versatile addition to the gym. The excitement of ziplining is something everyone can appreciate, and it's become a favorite activity for all age groups. Durable construction. The zip lines are built with high-quality, durable materials that can withstand a lot of use. The cables are strong and reliable, ensuring safety and longevity even with frequent use. Easy installation. Setting up the zip lines was straightforward and didn't require any specialized tools. The instructions were clear, and it was easy to get everything in place quickly. Number 4. XBEN Zipline Kit 98 feet. It features a sturdy 60mm swing seat, much safer than other models. The adjustable length ensures a perfect fit for kids of all sizes. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply find 2 trees, attach it, and let the fun begin. Hours of backyard entertainment await. It's built to last with premium stainless steel, a double stainless steel pulley, and non-slip rubber handles. Safety and durability were top priorities in its design. This zipline provides endless hours of exciting outdoor play. It's perfect for kids and adults alike. Give the gift of adventure. This zipline kit is a fantastic present for birthdays or holidays, providing fun for the whole family. What we like? This option boasts an impressive length, providing extended playtime. The reliable braking system adds an extra layer of safety for your kids. If you prioritize safety and want a long-lasting zipline made of high-quality steel, this is the one for you. What people say. Took about 30 minutes to set up and is very sturdy. Sturdy, easy to install and of course fun. Well made and lots of fun, has lasted 2 years in extreme heat and still going strong. Number 3. EDOSTORY 160-foot Zipline Kit. This zipline prioritizes safety with a sturdy harness and a heavy-duty steel brake, ensuring a secure ride for both kids and adults up to 330 pounds. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's built to last. It's constructed from durable SUS 304 stainless steel, a material chosen for its strength and resilience in outdoor settings. This ensures years of fun and worry-free adventures. This zipline is partially pre-assembled for quick and easy setup. Simply find 2 sturdy trees, attach it, and you're ready for hours of backyard fun. With its high weight capacity, it's perfect for both kids and adults. It's a great way to enjoy the outdoors and improve balance, strength, and coordination. We're so confident in its quality that it comes with a 10-year limited warranty. If there are any material issues, we'll replace it. What we like? Safety is paramount with this zipline, featuring a secure harness for peace of mind. It's built to withstand heavy use and supports up to 330 pounds. If you value safety above all else and need a zipline that can handle both kids and adults, this is your best bet. What people say. This kit is impressively well made, with a sturdy stainless steel zip line capable of supporting up to 330 pounds, ensuring that everyone can join in on the adventure. Setting up the zip line was straightforward, thanks to the clear instructions and well-designed components. The 98-foot length is perfect for our backyard, offering a thrilling ride without taking up too much space. Number 2. ZEROMX 100 Feet Zipline Kit. Get ready for hours of outdoor fun with our complete zipline kit. It's perfect for kids and adults, providing excitement and adventure in your own backyard. This kit is built to last, using ultra-strong, galvanized stainless steel cable and a reliable braking system. Your safety and the safety of your loved ones is our top priority. Everything you need is included: cable, trolley, seat, brake, and tree protection. Setup is quick and easy, with a helpful video guide to walk you through the process. It's more than just a zipline, it's a chance to encourage outdoor play, build confidence, and create lasting family memories. Watch your kids' faces light up with excitement. Give the gift of adventure this year. This zipline is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a present that keeps on giving, providing endless fun and outdoor exercise. We stand behind the quality and safety of our product. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer support team is here to help you. What we like. This kit includes everything you need and is ready to go in minutes. The fun, light-up trolley adds a unique touch. If you want a complete, easy-to-assemble zipline with a cool feature, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Built very well and lots of fun for them. My kit came with everything that it needed to install. The tree brake works perfectly to stop well before they reach the tree endpoint. Number 1. TRSMIMA Zipline Kit. It features a safe strap, adjustable safety belt, secure seat, and reliable braking system for maximum security. The sturdy seat can hold up to 380 pounds and is easily adjustable to fit different ages and sizes. This zipline uses ultra-strong, galvanized aircraft stainless steel cable. It's durable, weather-resistant, and can easily support 380 pounds for years to come. Tree protection tubes prevent damage to your trees. The trolley features double stainless steel, sealed ball bearings, and long wear-resistant alloy pulleys for a smooth ride. It's easily removable and installable, making it convenient for storage and setup. Unlike other systems, it uses heat-treated stainless steel springs that are rust-resistant. The rubber plug with an internal iron tube prevents cable damage, ensuring a safe and controlled stop. This zipline kit is designed for lasting fun and is a great way for kids to enjoy the outdoors. If you have any issues, contact us within 30 days for assistance. What we like. This zipline features a removable trolley for easy storage and transport. The durable construction and adjustable harness ensure a safe and comfortable ride for everyone. If you need a versatile, high-quality zipline with a focus on safety and convenience, this is the one to choose. What people say. The directions were easy to follow and the materials or pieces seem solid and of good quality. Works as advertised. Good quality too, should last a long time. Installation took few hours, but was well worth it. The kit came as advertised and works great, but keep in mind that, especially at these lengths, the cable will stretch with weight, probably more than you expect. You will definitely need something to pull the cable tight for your initial attachment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.